Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. I'm here with Sally from sallychow.com. And normally on Saturday we go to Cars and Coffee, but today we're here at Hillbank Motors for their open house. So this is their newest new location. They moved and they invited us to come and check out all the cool cars and have a party and lunch and stuff. So come on, let's go check it out. Wow. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Here's a supercharged Mustang, Ripple motor. Yeah, so a lot of the cars that were Cars and Coffee today, they kind of did a cruise to Hillbank. So this is Hillbank. They basically they sell a lot of Cobras and Shelbys. So if you're looking for a Cobra or a Shelby, you should check them out. They got some on display right here. So check out some of the Cobras, and they're all for sale. So if you're in the market for a new AC, wow, check that out. Sally is once again doing updates for her Instagram channel. If you want to see her photo, check her out at sallychow18 on Instagram. This must be the lineup for lunch. The Shelby showroom. Oh, Sally, yes, you want that Coke? Can you grab a drink? Cool? Yeah, I'll get one on the way out. That sounds great. So, wow, I've never seen so many Cobras in one place. That's insane.
Milano, yeah, no one's ever
This has to be like maybe half the world's supply of Cobras in here. But yeah, they're all for sale. So here's one, $71,950, and this is a promotion, open house promotion, $2,000 off any vehicle today. Wow! So take $2,000 off any of these cars today only. Which one do you like, Sally? Which one is that? Okay. All the way up there. Let's go take a look all the way over there. Yeah. Wow, look at this number 2 car. It's blue. So, $182,000 for this Corvette Grand Sport. Oh, look at that GT40. Is that an original? Wow. What is this? What is this, Ellie? It's customized. Yeah, it's like a... Yeah.
And it's big.
That's cool. I don't know. There you go. It's a Z1. That's cool. And more Cobras, lots of Cobras. And Sally likes the one up there, eh? So let's take.
Really, but it's the best one.
It looks kind of cool. I think it's another one of those custom cars up there.
Yeah, so the deal is...
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's another Panamera. Wow. So they have a full workshop back here where they work on the car, service the car, restore the car. This is a nice big showroom. And more Cobras. Look at it. Not much weight, not much you can walk down the aisle, like it's just one person at a time. So this car is sold for one just like it. Please see the sales associate. That's how much you sold it for. And it's paid in full. Doesn't have the price. Nope. $59,915. I mean, most of these are obviously kit because for $59,000, there's no way you can get a real original Cobra. But I believe they actually do have a few original Cobras here if you want to pay, you know, in the hundreds of thousands of dollars for them. Wrap. Notice some nice original paintings, historical stuff hanging on the wall. Big Shelby banner over there. More Shelby banner. $59,520. But I think it's missing something. Not sure what is missing, but it's missing something. Wow, check it out. This is the original GT40. Ford GT, you know, you've seen the one from 2005, and then you got the new Ford GT. Well, this is the original Ford GT, and with the carbureted motor. And the plastic windows. And it's right-hand drive too, wow. Yours for $325,000. And I like the bubble on the roof so you can clear your racing helmet. Okay, so this is Hillbank Performance here in Irvine, California. If you're looking for a Cobra, I guess this is the place to come. I mean, they got them. They got them here. So, anyway, Sally and I are gonna go for lunch, get something to eat, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little look at the new Hillbank Motors open house. Follow her on Instagram, see her video, Sally Chow 18, and like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel. See you guys on the next episode.
Bye.